In this video, we are going to see how to create a participation certificate for some of the participants using UiPath software. So I have made a template of my certificate in PowerPoint. The name Nisha present here is going to be replaced by the participant names which I have entered in the Excel. So let me open the Excel file. Yeah, here I have entered some participants' names. Okay, without much delay, we move on to creating the bot. So open UiPath software and start a blank task. Let us give our process a name. Let me give it as participation certificate sample bot. If needed, you can give the description too. Let me give it as second sample bot and click on create. So it's creating our workspace. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, this is our workspace. Now we are going to use an Excel file, right? So drag and drop use Excel file activity in the designer panel. By clicking on the folder icon, you can specify the path of your Excel file. So let me specify the path of my Excel file. Yes, I have specified it. Now search for an activity called for each Excel row. Drag and drop that activity in the designer panel so that my bot will read the data entered in each rows and process it into further steps. So specify the sheet where you have entered your data, and of course it has headers, has participant name, and check in the has headers box. Since you have used PowerPoint for creating the template of your certificate, you can search for an activity called use PowerPoint presentation and drag and drop it into the for each Excel row activity. Now by clicking on folder icon, you can specify the path of your PowerPoint file. So let me specify the path. Yes, we have specified. Now uncheck the save changes box. Now search for an activity called replace text in presentation in the activities panel and drag and drop that activity into use PowerPoint presentation activity. Now it will be asking find what. So our bot want to find that name in that template. What I have given is Nisha. So our bot will find that Nisha name and it will replace it into the names which I have entered in the Excel. So replace with the participation name. So we have specified it. Now search for an activity called save the PowerPoint file as. So search for it and drag and drop that activity below this replace text and presentation activity. So we want our file to be saved as participant names. So click on this plus icon, then current row, then click on the participant names so that our bot will create the certificate of participant names and then store it in the file as participant names. Now save and we are ready to go. Let's run our bot. So you can clearly see that the Nisha name in that template gets replaced by the participant names. Now let's move on to our files and let's search for that file as participation certificate. Now we can clearly see that the certificate of our participant names have been stored in this file. Thank you.